Hello, my friends, and welcome back to EasySpeak podcast. My name is John, and I'm very happy you are here with us today.
Hi, everyone. This is Laura. Thank you for listening and learning English with us.
In today's episode, we want to give you something very useful. We are going to share a simple daily program for learning English.
Yes, this is a full routine you can follow from morning until night.
This episode is especially for beginning level learners. Everything is easy, practical, and realistic.
Many learners think they need long study hours, but that often leads to stress and giving up.
Real progress happens when English becomes part of your daily life. Not heavy study, not homework, but small habits.
So, let's start with the morning. Morning is a powerful time for learning.
Your brain is fresh and calm in the morning, so don't attack it with hard grammar.
Start gently. When you wake up, play a short English podcast.
5 minutes is enough. 10 minutes is great. You can listen while brushing your teeth or making coffee.
The goal is not to understand everything. The goal is to hear English early in the day.
Listening in the morning is like coffee for your brain. It wakes up your listening skills.
After listening, review vocabulary for 10 minutes. Not new words, old words.
Apps like Anki or Quizlet are perfect. Your brain says, "Oh, I remember this."
One more powerful habit. Change your phone language to English.
You see English every day without studying, and that is real learning.
And midday is busy. Work, school, family.
But you still have small gaps. Lunchtime, waiting moments.
Read simple English articles. BBC Learning English is a great choice.
Learn 1 or 2 new words only. Small steps work best.
Another great habit is shadowing. Shadowing means speaking with the audio.
You copy the sounds, not perfection. 5 minutes is enough.
Afternoon English should be light. You might feel tired.
Describe your surroundings. The sky is blue. I'm sitting at my desk.
This trains your brain to think in English.
Evening is for reinforcement. Watch something in English.
Use English subtitles first. Then test yourself without subtitles.
Write a short journal. Today was a good day.
The weekend is for deeper practice. Join a speaking club if you can.
And set one small goal for next week.
Small habit every day.
This is how fluency is built, day by day.
Thank you for listening to EasySpeak podcast.